But this was a Walmart piece. Got it at my Walmart for $5, okay? It was all white around here. I striped it. And it had this, it was a cute little kind of abstract art, I would call it. And it had these heavy duty, like almost like hot glue that was painted in a gold like this. It was just nothing really fancy. $5, I thought, I like the frame. So I took my little heat tool and I heated it off, I promise you. All right, I just want to get all of the water out of this. All I'm going to do is go over these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these stripes so that we can do the center. Now the center I'm going to do in black. So nice. We just got to get rid of this lovely art. It came with this gold around it, but right here around the edge was white. And I thought, it's white. I don't want to get in there and have to paint those little details in there. So I got in there and I painted it gold. It might need one more coat of the gold. We'll see. I'm kind of liking it. We'll see. This is Fusion Mineral Paint, and it usually covers quickly. I'm just going to get up under there. I have a white Posca paint pen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hand letter first with pencil, and then I'm going to go in with my Posca paint pen. So I got it written here so I don't forget what I'm writing, because that could happen. So all right, we're going to do good tidings, and in the tail of the G, I'm going to put of, then I'm going to put comfort, and then I'm going to put joy down here in the bling. So that'll be pretty, right? So let's get to getting here. All right, so here we are with hand lettering. I'm going to show you a little thing about hand lettering. When you go on the upstroke, you can darken your upstrokes. Okay, these are just like I said, the bones. You can darken the upstrokes, but when you come onto the downstroke, see how I'm doing right here? I get ready to go down into a downstroke. I'm going to thicken it up, and by doing that, I just kind of make a line right next to the one I already did, like that. So that's a downstroke, and I'm getting ready to go into the upstroke again, so I'm going to darken it. Sign done. Will that be? Now we're going to put the joy part down here. If you haven't seen these yet from Totally Dazzled, these are the new stencil, rhinestone stencil, that you can use with your little magic tool here. This is a genius idea, actually. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your stencil like this. They're perforated, okay? So you're just going to take your stencil where it's perforated. I think. It's not perforated, and I see it. You got to get it started. It's not real easy to see, but it's well perforated. It's easy to pull off. So you've got your little stencil, and it's sticky back. You see how it's sticky? All right. And you are going to, I'm going to do it on my table because it's flat and it's clean and it's ready to go. It doesn't look it probably because it's all scarred and scuffed, but it's clean. I am going to lay this down like this, right? I had to think for a minute. Make sure I'm doing it right. And in each of these is your transfer paper and your heat paper that you put over. When you're heat setting it, you have this little, it's like a little piece of Teflon sort of paper, okay? And on the back of where you're getting your stencil, this paper right here, it pulls off. It's sticky back as well. See there? And it is perforated. And when I'm done doing this part, I'm going to take this and make an applique with it by placing it over the rhinestones and then putting it on my surface, okay? Yeah. So what you do is you simply pour these out. Actually, I'm gonna pour them this way. I if I could just dump them out. Like that. To cover all of your stencil. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your little magic brush, abracadabra, and you're just going to go in here and you're going to kind of in a circular motion. You're going to do this. And all of these little stones go into all of those little holes. So where there's a stone that's just laying in the middle of the stencil, not doing anything, I'm going to take that off. Okay, so got to put this right over top of these jewels, just like this, making sure your transfer is covering all the jewels. All of your jewels that were in those holes are going to be stuck down, just like that. So now the word joy is going to go down here. Said that you should transfer gemstones like this, you should do at 335, but I upped it a notch because I thought, why not? Okay, if 335 is good, 345 is better, right? And you want to just set it down because it's heavy and you don't want to move it, but you can about 15 seconds. We've got some, these are from years past. I just had a few of them hanging out. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna just dump them out, see what we got here. See which ones we like, right? I kind of like the gold ones simply because, you know, gold, right? That's kind of neat because it kind of covers up a couple spots that I wanted to cover up. So that's good. Good, good. And I'm probably going to go over this tomorrow in the daylight when I can see it a little bit better. And so I can go over any kind of spots with my Posca pen or anything like that. So, yep, sure is. Okay. You know what would be cute, I think, would be, why are these little stones coming out here? Why are these stones out? It's not from my joy, it's from something else, apparently. I could take like these little white snowflakes and put them over the eye. Like that one, this one, over the eye, the smaller one. I'm gonna make it a little bit, I think I might put some snow in it. Just because I'm Michigan, right? I gotta have a little snow, right? Anyway, let me turn this around and show you all how pretty that turned out with the good tidings of comfort and joy.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.